we have on the one side trees, trees, trees. Then we have grass, grass, grass. So we just took bus number 28 to here, and this is the Hangzhou Botanical Garden. I've never been here, so it's the first time. Yeah, let's have a look how it is, and then yeah, maybe it's also interesting for you when you will come to Hangzhou one time. So I will show you now around the Hangzhou Botanical Garden. So you just have been inside the water, and this area is very beautiful. But I think we are not. At the moment we are not inside the botanical garden. It's just outside, but already very beautiful and no other people. Very good. The botanical garden also has a lot of bamboo, so yeah, a big bamboo forest part. So if you want to see some real bamboo trees, this is also a good place to go to. And especially today, where it's also hot and the sun is shining, here you have a lot of shadow, so like you see, so it's not so hot, and yeah, very comfortable to be here and to walk around. If you watched last year's videos, maybe you remember when I went to Sanya and went there to some kind of garden where I had to walk up the hill, and then yeah, was very frustrated because there was nothing. And similar experience today. Yeah, I also just walked up here the hill, and this is how it looks like here. So you don't have any view, you just see the same trees as down when you are before you walk up at the place. So yeah, now it goes down again, and I think yeah, it's not more than an exercise, unless you like a lot of trees and some forest areas. Then it's the perfect adventure for you. Otherwise, if you expect a view or some flowers or anything beautiful or interesting, then it's like last year, a total waste of time. Okay, now let's walk you through the botanical garden experience. So we have on the one side trees, trees, trees. Then we have grass, grass, grass. We have some kind of bushes, bushes, bushes. And do we have something else? We have a path where we can walk, made of stone. Then there's a falling leaf. We just saw a falling leaf. Something crazy happened. And we have wind. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's the botanical garden. So if you like any of these things, then come here. Otherwise, search for something else. Oh, there are two butterflies. Maybe you can't see them because it's not the right camera for filming it. But so if you also like butterflies, botanical garden, the best thing in Hangzhou here. highlight of each Hangzhou tour is to come here back to the West Lake and see the water and light show here. Yeah, directly at the lake with the lake water. Especially now it's 8 o'clock, so it's lasts for more than 20 minutes already, and a lot of people come here to see it. And when I'm here, I know I'm in Hangzhou. Except of the music fountain, there's a lot of other things to see at the West Lake at night. So I really like the night scenery, so a lot of the buildings will be lit up. So here the Bao Chu Pagoda, then also the Broken Bridge over there, the Leifeng Pagoda over there, and maybe you remember we have been also on this pagoda. Yeah, and also the dragon boat is very beautiful at night, and you can also take it for a ride to go around the lake to see all of the scenery right from the boat. Also something you can do at night. So we have now 8:30 in the evening, so everything is lit up now, and the boat will start its tour soon. So if you are in Hangzhou in the evening, this is one thing you can do, and yeah, I think it's very beautiful, and yeah, you can do it. So another possibility what you can do in the evening here in Hangzhou, visit some of the night markets, for example this here. So there are some interesting things and also something to eat. I found what I want to eat, and that's the Hong Kong egg waffles, and I will get one now. So this market here is called the Wulin night market, and there's also the Wushan night market, which is a little bit bigger, also much more crowded and more narrow. So if you're in Hangzhou for several days, you can visit both. Both are interesting, have several things, but I would also recommend you not just go here to the Wulin night market, go to the Wushan night market, even if it's more crowded and more narrow, you will find a lot of interesting stuff there. So I would also recommend you to go there. Here, like I told you before, I've got my egg waffle, and check how it tastes. That's very good. So come here, you should also taste this. I just took classic taste with with nothing else, but you can have it also filled with, for example, some ice cream, which will also taste nice, but I like just the taste of the waffle, so I just got this one.